ألوية مجاهدين حوران عربة BMW دشم الدواعش.
About 1,500 migrants are braving freezing weather in Belgrade as they continue to wait for permission to travel. Many have been sleeping in abandoned warehouses near the main bus station in the Serbian capital. It has been snowing heavily and the temperature dropped to -8 Celsius on January 9th. Last year, after a wave of refugees closed their borders to stem the flow. These migrants in Belgrade are not willing to go to a refugee camp because they are afraid that they will be deported. Volunteers have been providing them.